Here at Nashua Community College, we can help you get started on your career in the collision repair industry. Our instructors, who are certified through the industry and have industry experience, can help you learn to repair dents, to paint, to weld, and to straighten structural damage. Graduates of our program can earn from $30,000 to up to $100,000 within the first 5 years.
Most recently, we're putting in a brand new spray booth, which will be state-of-the-art for our students to learn and to gain the skills necessary to be successful as they go out to the dealerships here in New Hampshire.
And then when I came here at first, when I met the professors at open night, I saw that they had the same passion for cars that I did. It just made me want to come here.
I had a friend who graduated 2 years prior to me that came to the same program, and he talked to me about it. I loved the idea of it. And by the time that I signed up for the program, he had actually already got a full-time job